In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to be VIP 1 on Binance in 2025. Earning that VIP status can offer you a range of benefits like lower trading fees and enhanced customer support. So let's dive in and explore the steps you need to take to achieve this status efficiently. First, you need to maintain a daily average of 25 or more BNB holdings across all your Binance wallets. This requirement ensures that you're actively involved in the Binance ecosystem and have a stake in Binance's cryptocurrency, BNB. Keeping your BNB holdings consistently above this threshold is crucial. A useful tip is to regularly check your wallet balances to ensure they meet this requirement and make adjustments if necessary. You might find it helpful to set a reminder to review your holdings daily so you don't inadvertently drop below the required amount. Next, you need to achieve a specific trading volume within the last 30 days. For spot trading, reaching a volume of at least $1 million is required. Alternatively, if you're more into futures trading, you'll need to tackle a volume of $15 million. This trading activity reinforces your active participation and contribution to the liquidity of the marketplace. If this seems daunting, consider using a variety of trading pairs to reach that volume more efficiently. Keeping an eye on market trends and conditions can also help you decide when and what to trade to hit these targets. After you've met the BNB holding and trading volume criteria, the next step is simply to wait for your status to update. The status refreshes automatically each day at midnight UTC. However, the update might not reflect until approximately 5 in the morning UTC. During this period, make sure you don't make any significant changes in your holdings or trading volumes that could impact your status. Finally, to confirm that your VIP 1 status has been successfully activated, you'll need to check in the Binance platform itself. You can do this by visiting the Binance VIP portal, which provides a clear view of your VIP level. Alternatively, you can check your account page under the VIP and institutional section. This is where your status will be displayed prominently, ensuring that you can see any upgrades or changes immediately. And that's it, those are the steps you need to follow to become a VIP 1 on Binance. Remember, being proactive in managing your BNB holdings and trading volume is key to achieving and maintaining this status. I hope you found this guide helpful. Always ensure you're adhering to best practices and staying informed about any changes Binance may implement in the future. Thank you for joining and happy trading.